Welcome to Pacific Resort. We'll just ask you to fill out these right here. Sign at the bottom for me, please, and we'll get you sorted into your room.
Sure.
Thank you so much. We have you in room 45 and we'll get you in there in just a few minutes. First, if you have a few seconds, I'd just like to let you know about a great cause that we're fundraising for. We're telling it to all our guests as they check in. This right here is our Mana Tiaki cause. It's basically a fundraiser for different projects in the community. It's all run based on donation. We here have several, we made homemade bags that you can choose to donate towards and take one with you when you go. We've got a bunch of different colours here that coincide with the different causes on the Mana Tiaki program. So here we go. The purple actually goes towards youth development, light blue for the eco-sustainability and diversity. The waste management is for dark blue right here, which looks after our landfill and whatnot. Biodiversity is for the green. Looking after the coral, looking after the lagoon, making sure that waste doesn't go into the lagoon and that kind of thing. And then, climate change for our yellow at the bottom here. So if you'd like to donate just a few coins or something like that, you can feel free to take one of these with you.
They're actually all really good causes.
They are, in fact.
Put a little bit in every single bag.
Yeah, well, exactly.
They're actually really good.
So the colour that you choose, we actually make sure that your donation goes towards the cause that you choose, because it is, they are all sub-projects of the same organisation. So,
yeah, okay.
Cool. Yep.
As part of your donation, we'd like to give this for you. Thank you. That is your Pacific Resort souvenir for you. Here you go, darling. You're welcome. Thank you. You can go and show all your friends what you got from Pacific Resort. Thank you.
But we wanted to say a special thank you to room 45, our guests that helped us make this video. They actually believed in our cause so much that they used the purple bag and they donated $50 towards youth development. So special thank you to them.
To process the donations, we post this to Room Master. We add the category that they wish to donate to along with their room number so that the funds are allocated to the correct program.
As Mana Tiaki Guardians, it is not only our duty to create awareness to our guests, but also to ensure we as Cook Islanders are contributing to sustain our environment. Each team member of guest services will be contributing $1 every Friday towards the Mana Tiaki project.
Guardians, it is also our responsibility to create awareness to our guests so they are aware of our special cause and how they can donate towards it. So in our drums here, in our public drums and our daily newsletters, we have a little article created. All our guests are aware of this cause. We also have it here in our departure letters, a little article of information for our checkout guests. What we do with these letters, we send them directly to the rooms. So now I will send this, our Porter Security will be sending them to the room. Porter Security, do you copy? Can you please deliver this directly to room 212?
Oh, no problem. Anything to create awareness for Mana Tiaki.
Not forgetting, we are also raising Mana Tiaki awareness through our daily guest orientation meetings by taking our guests through the resort property to look at the environment that we work in. We are also including our children in the Kids Club by offering them some colouring sheets based on the 5 focus areas of the Ipukarea Society. Mana Tiaki!
Our little paradise. Help us to create awareness. Mana Tiaki.
Protect our little paradise.
Pirianga Taeake for Mana Tiaki. Whoa!
Protect our little paradise. Help us to create awareness. Mana Tiaki. Woo!
Protect our little paradise. Help us to create awareness. Mana Tiaki.
Protect our little paradise.
Help us to create
awareness. Mana Tiaki.